Hi guys, so today we're gonna make one of my favorite recipes, and there's a few reasons why I love it so much. It's super easy to make. You can also freeze it and use it for leftovers or for meal planning. And one of the main reasons why I really love this recipe is because you can make so many different dishes with it for breakfast, for lunch, for dinner. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to make sausage and peppers. So we're gonna cook sausage and peppers today, and I'm gonna show you guys two ways to make it. We're gonna bake it in the oven, although since I don't have an oven yet installed in the new kitchen, I'm actually gonna use the toaster oven, but you guys can just use the regular oven. It's gonna be exactly the same. And then I'm also gonna show you guys how to make sausage and peppers in the Instant Pot, because there's one thing I know about people who own Instant Pots. They love to try and make everything in it. So I'm gonna give my Instant Pot followers exactly what they want, and we're gonna make sausage and peppers in the Instant Pot as well. So let's get started. First, we're gonna cut our onions and peppers into nice long slices. Okay, so first you're gonna line a baking sheet with foil. Then you're gonna give it a light spray with some olive oil. And then you're just gonna place your sausage on the pan. And you're gonna spread some onions and peppers all around. Then you just want to make a few little punctures with a knife and give it a little crack of salt, a little bit of pepper, and then we're going to put everything in the oven at 350 degrees. So now that our sausage and peppers are cooking in the oven, I'm also going to show you how to make sausage and peppers in the Instant Pot. Okay, so first you want to puncture a few holes on both sides of your sausage, and this is going to do a really good job at also draining some of the fat out. Okay, first we're gonna add 1 cup of water. And then we're gonna layer our sausages on the bottom. Okay, so you're just gonna put your lid on the Instant Pot. Make sure the valve is set to seal. And turn it on pressure cook for 10 minutes. Okay, so once your sausage is done cooking, you're actually gonna slow release it. So slow release just means that you let it cool down in the Instant Pot before you turn the vent. So you don't wanna turn the vent, you just wanna let it cool down probably for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then, as you can see, when I turn the vent, no steam comes out. So you just want to take out your sausage. And the nice thing about the Instant Pot is it really drains out a lot of the fat. So you're going to take out your sausage, and then we're going to dump out the water and clean your pot, and then we're going to saute our sausage and our peppers together. Okay, so we drained our water, and now we're gonna turn the Instant Pot on to saute mode, and we're gonna put it to saute on medium. So we're just gonna let our pot warm up for a few minutes, and then we're gonna spray it with a little bit of olive oil. Okay, so we're gonna give a spray of olive oil. add our sausage back into the Instant Pot so we can get everything nice and brown. And you just want to let the sausage saute on both sides for probably about 2 minutes on each side so that it gets a nice crispy brown coating to it. Okay, so now that our sausage is nice and browned, we're just going to take it out and put it to the side. And now we're going to throw in some of our peppers and onions. We're going to add a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and we're going to let them saute for about 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, so now that our sausage and peppers are finished, we're just going to remove them. Okay, so we have our sausage and peppers in the Instant Pot, and our sausage and peppers just came out of the oven. So you want to cook the sausage and peppers in the oven for about 40 to 45 minutes, flipping them halfway through. Now, when I normally cook the sausage and peppers in the oven, I usually will put them on a broiler sheet and line the underneath of the pan with foil so that the fat drains out from the bottom really well. And sausage and peppers are awesome leftover. They freeze for up to 3 months. So you can put them in a freezer-safe container and just take them out the day before you want to use them. And there's so many amazing recipes that you can make using sausage and peppers. Alright guys, and there you have it. Sausage and peppers in the Instant Pot and in the oven. If you liked this video, be sure to subscribe and give it a little like, and tune in to see what we make with these sausage and peppers.